Hello students, let's come up with a new topic, that is trigonometry. Do anyone know what is trigonometry? Actually, there are several rays in our atmosphere, that are sine ray, cosine ray, tangent ray, and trigonometry is a collection of these type of 6 rays. What are these 6 rays? That are sine theta, cos theta, tangent theta, cot theta, secant theta, and the last one is cosecant theta. Now come up with the functioning of these t ratios. Firstly, we draw here a right angle triangle ABC. Do anyone know what's the motive of drawing this right angle triangle here? In this right angle triangle, we have this line is base, this is perpendicular, and the slant line is called hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, if the angle C is 90 degree, then the triangle is called right angle triangle. Actually, the value of these t ratios can be found by using this right angle triangle. How it can be found? Let's start. Sin theta is a function of perpendicular upon hypotenuse. That is if we have this right angle triangle, then we can use this to find sin theta as perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Similarly, cos theta can be found by using base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is a perpendicular over base. Cot theta is base over perpendicular. Secant theta is a hypotenuse upon base. And cosecant theta is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. That is, sin theta is P upon H, cos theta is P upon H, tan theta is P upon B, cot theta is B upon P, secant theta H upon B, and the last one cosecant theta is H upon P. Hope everyone get clear up to here. Now let's start. What's the relation between these t ratios? Firstly, here is no relation between sin theta and cos theta. Now let's come to tan theta. Tan theta is related to sin theta cos theta as sin theta over cos theta. We here have tan theta is P upon B and sin theta is P upon H, cos theta is B upon H. This H get cancelled with this H and we get P upon B. This is the relation between tan theta and cos theta, as P upon B is equal to P upon B. Hope everything get clear. Now come to point cot theta. Cot theta is similar related to sin theta and cos theta as cos theta upon sin theta. Let us check. We have cot theta is b upon p and cos theta is b upon h. Sin theta is p upon h. Here h get cancelled with h and we get b upon p. Also, cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. That is, we had cot theta is b upon p and tan theta is 1 upon p upon b. So b goes with 1, we get b upon p. That two are equal. It means cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. Next, come to point secant theta. Secant theta is actually reciprocal of cos theta. That is, secant theta we had h upon b, and what we have b cos theta is b upon h. We get h upon b. Similarly, the last one, cosecant theta, is reciprocal of sin theta. What is sin theta? Sin theta is p upon h. This h goes with 1. We get 1 multiply h upon p, that is h upon p. And we also have cos theta is h upon p. This is all about t ratios and the relation between these t ratios. Clear your doubts up to here and comment down your queries.